subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello students, we have seen that our food and clothes have such a variety in them. Not just food and clothes. There is such a vast variety of objects everywhere. So today I will show you some objects. You have seen these objects in your daily life, like a spoon. This is another spoon, paperweight, duster, eraser, compass box, and so many things. These objects are made up of different materials. Some are made up of plastic, some are made up of metal, some are made up of wood, rubber, and other materials. This spoon is made up of plastic. This is made up of steel. But what's about this fork? This is made up of two materials, plastic and metal. It means the objects are made up of one material or some are made up of more than one materials. The objects are differ in their shapes and size according to their uses. So let's start chapter 4 from Science of Standard 6th. Now our first topic is objects around us. We see around us a chair, a bullock cart, a cycle, a cooking utensils, books, toys, and many other objects. Some objects that are round in shape like rubber ball, a football, and a glass marble. Some objects that are made up of plastics like buckets, lunch boxes, toys, water container, pipes, etc. All objects around us are made up of one or more material. These materials may be glass, metals, plastic, wood, cotton, paper, mud, or soil. All these qualities of materials are categorized in their properties of materials. So next topic is properties of materials. The first property of materials is appearance. Now we start the first property, appearance. Take piece of different materials like paper, cardboard, wood, and aluminum sheet. Cut each material into two pieces. The freshly cut surface of some materials appear shiny. Materials that have such luster or shiny are usually metals. Iron, copper, aluminum, and gold are examples of metals. We therefore notice the luster only on their freshly cut surface. When you visit an ironsmith or a workshop, look out for freshly cut surface of metal rod to see if they have luster. Now come to the next property of materials, the hardness. I am compressing this cotton. You can see it's compressed easily. Now I am compressing this paperweight. It cannot be compressed. It means this property of these two different objects show the hardness and softness of material. So the next property is hardness. When you press different materials with your hands, some of them may be hard to compress while other can be easily compressed. Materials which can be compressed or scratched easily are called soft, while some other materials which are difficult to compress are called hard. For example, cotton or sponge is soft while iron is hard. Now, the next property is soluble and insoluble. Some substances have completely disappear or dissolve in water. These substances are called soluble substances. Some substances do not mix with water and do not disappear. These substances are called insoluble substances. Some liquids get completely mixed with water are called miscible. And some liquids do not mix with water are called immiscible. The miscible substances are milk, indigo and other things. They are completely dissolved in water. But the immiscible are oil. If we mix oil with water, it makes a separate layer on the surface of water. Some gases are soluble in water like oxygen. For example, oxygen dissolved in water is very important for the survival of animals and plants that live in water.